So today we're going to be making scones. This is also part of the Bake at Home with Scone Premix selection. It's really easy to bake, fuss-free, and also delicious. This makes about 8 to 10, and you can shape it in any way you want, but I kind of like it round, the classic way. I've also prepared a lot of different inclusions for you as well. So first, we're going to put the premix into the bowl. Add in 80 grams of milk, 1 egg yolk that weighs about 20 grams, 55 grams of unsalted butter that I've left in room temperature. Now I'm going to whisk it all together until it's nicely incorporated. The prep time is about 5 minutes. And then I'll use my hands and incorporate it really well to make sure there's no lumps. Now split the mixture in two for 2 flavors, one sweet, one salty. First, for the sweet, I'm going to add chocolate chips and raisin, as well as some candied orange. For the salty scones, I'm going to add in aniseed myrtle leaf, some dried rosemary, as well as tortilla chips. So after the inclusion, I set it in the fridge or the freezer and just let it rest for a while. You can let it rest for about 30 minutes, that's more than enough. But I use a ring cutter and it's about 4 centimeters. You can have it 4 or 5 centimeters. You can also do mini ones. The height of it, we have it about 2 centimeters, and just to take note that it's going to rise to about 3 to 4 centimeters. I've got my egg wash. I place the egg wash on top of each of these scones, and then now I'm going to place it into the oven. Okay, so I'm just going to set this in the oven right now, and I'll be right back. So the scones out of the oven, it's at 200 degrees for about 8 minutes, or you can also have it at 180 degrees for about 10 minutes. Now this is really easy. It's nice and fresh. What you can do is also you can freeze it, and then you can also rebake it when you want it. Enjoy!